Thank you. We're back on the record in cause number 323892, the state of Texas versus Derek W. Howard. Mr. Howard, would you please come forward? And we have present Mr. Howard. Mr. Howard, you were sworn in earlier, and you're here present with your attorney, Mr. Jack Lawrence. State Assistant District Attorney, Ms. Sheila Musgrove, is appearing by Zoom. Mr. Lawrence, the motion that I have before me is motion to submit attached jury questionnaire to the jury and receive responses at least 1 day before trial. Now, Ms. Musgrove.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you had an opportunity to review the defense motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any objections to this motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
But before I give my objection, I just have a question. The questionnaire that we normally use, that we receive, would that still be given to jurors, or would this take the place of the questionnaire that we normally use?
Now, let me ask you this. You said a questionnaire that we normally use. Is it a questionnaire that the state has?
Yes, the information that we receive a little bit before trial, is this to take the place of that, or will we still receive
No, you're talking about the sheet that the jurors have when they come to court. No, that doesn't. This just is a questionnaire.
Oh, well,
in addition, that card will already be filled out. We will get that information. But I
okay.
think on a questionnaire, normally our questionnaires are submitted the day of trial, and we usually give the prospective jurors time to fill it out. And then once they fill out the questionnaire, we'll make copies for the defense and the state.
Okay.
And both sides will be given an opportunity to review the responses on the questionnaires prior to voir dire.
Okay.
So the information that you were asking about, they will get that, but I thought that, but sometimes the state could submit a, what we call questionnaires, or the defense could do one, or y'all can do one jointly.
Okay.
So either way.
I don't mind doing the standard one and then doing this one. I don't mind doing both.
No. What you mean by standard one is just like, it's the information that you get from the jurors when they come in. It has their name, address, whether or not they're employed, they have jurors.
Right. There's some redundancy.
Yeah, this is not this questionnaire is a little different.
Okay. So that would be, well, I guess my first objection is asking jurors questions that they've already provided answers to or responses to. But there are specific questions on the questionnaire that I have objections to. Should I go over the questions, or?
I think probably what we can do, I think, to save time,
Okay.
is to maybe you and Mr. Lawrence can get together and
Okay.
we can see those questions, because he doesn't have nothing before him at this time to see what is redundant. And so if y'all get together, we may be able to strike out the ones that's redundant, and then the ones that's not redundant that y'all agree on, we'll have that. And if you have any objections to any of the other ones, then we will have a hearing on that.
Sure, Judge.
Okay, because
That sounds
there
good.
will be others. All right.
Okay, so we'll do that. So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna hear this matter right now. We'll reset and give you an opportunity to get with Ms. Musgrove. And y'all can look and see what's redundant, and whatever is not redundant, then we'll see what y'all agree on and what y'all don't agree on. And then we will have a hearing on the matters, on the questions that you do not agree on.
Okay.
That's going to be interesting, and I'll tell you, that's probably a good idea for one reason. And it's something I didn't know when I prepared this. The U.S. House of Representatives has just passed legislation to legalize marijuana in the United States. The Senate has not acted on it, but it might be interesting to wait just a little bit because that if it passes both houses, that obviously will be something that will come up in voir dire. So it might not hurt to wait just a little bit.
Well, what we'll do, the court's order is for you and Ms. Musgrove to get together and see what's redundant. And then those things that are not redundant, you'll see what y'all can agree on. And then those things that you cannot agree on, then we'll have a hearing on those, those questions that's in the
Sure.
questionnaire.
Certainly.
All right. Now, the court also have before it a motion that is titled Defendant's Motion for Quantitative Weight Analysis of Alleged Synthetic Marijuana Subsequent to Removal of Non-Germinable Seeds, Contaminants, and mature stalks. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Now, Ms. Musgrove,
Yes, Your Honor.
have you had an opportunity to review this motion?
Not in its entirety, Your Honor.
Do you need some time to review it? Before?
I have to find it in the stack,
Okay,
but just about 5 minutes will be fine.
okay, we'll be in recess for 5 minutes.